So Marcus seems to be in a hurry and Marcus is going after Michelle because Michelle is in some trouble and Marcus has received an audio from Michelle. And Marcus also tried to call Michelle multiple times, and in the audio Michelle needs Marcus' help because Michelle has a fight in the mall and Michelle is heading somewhere. And in the audio, Michelle looks very scared and Michelle is heading somewhere waiting for Marcus to come. And after hearing the audio, Marcus also starts worrying about Michelle. So Marcus tries to call Michelle but Michelle is not picking up the call. And then Marcus starts to go for Michelle and Marcus quickly gets in the car. And Marcus hopes Michelle is okay and Marcus is regretting that should not have let Michelle go shopping alone. And Marcus keeps calling Michelle but Michelle is not picking up the call. And Michelle is not answering any of Marcus' texts and Marcus is going to Target for Michelle and Marcus is looking everywhere for Michelle outside Target and Marcus can't find Michelle anywhere and then Marcus goes inside Target and tries to find Michelle and Marcus does not know where Michelle could be and Marcus is looking for Michelle everywhere in the mall. Then Marcus tries to call Michelle again but this time Michelle does not pick up the call and then Marcus leaves a voicemail for Michelle and Marcus also gets Michelle text and Michelle is hiding near a pillow section and Marcus keeps trying to find Michelle and Marcus is very worried about Michelle and then Marcus comes to the pillow section and Marcus finds Michelle and Michelle is not feeling well and Michelle got hit in the eye in the fight and Michelle is having pain in her eye and it turns out that the girl abused Michelle which is why Michelle had a fight and Marcus want to see Michelle eye and Michelle one eye is not opening properly and Michelle is having a lot of pain in his eyes and Michelle also looks very worried with his face and Marcus thinks that maybe Michelle is playing a prank but Michelle says that I'm not playing a prank. Then Marcus and Michelle try to find the girl they fought with but she is nowhere to be found and Marcus and Michelle go back outside the mall and they can't find the girl they fought with and Michelle are very grateful for Marcus' presence and Michelle is very scared in this situation and then Marcus and Michelle start going back home.